Alright, you are welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to make up to $291 per day on Clickbank affiliate marketing. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you step by step. This is a powerful strategy. This is also a new traffic source that you can use to make money on Clickbank for free. So make sure you watch till the end so that you can get all the tips so that you can get started today. So if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my new videos. So before we go into the marketplace, I just want to show you quickly the table of content for this video. So what you are going to be doing is that I will show you the product that you need to select. I will also show you the traffic source, and I will show you the promotion technique that you are going to use to get tons of traffic onto your affiliate link. So now let's go to the Clickbank Marketplace and I will show you. So when you come to the Clickbank Marketplace, you can see the different categories here that you are going to promote. So in this video, we are going to target a specific product so that we can get sales with this particular traffic source that I'm going to show you. So what you are going to do, you are going to come to the e-business and e-marketing category. So once you select that, we are going to sort by gravity so that we can find the product that I want to show you. So when you come here, you are going to sort here by gravity. Then you select that. Once you sort by gravity, you can see this product is trending on this category. The gravity number is 208. So when you come down to the next product, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. So simply put, get paid to use social media. This is the product that we are going to select to promote. So when you come here, you can see the commission rate is $35, and when you come to the gravity number is 137, which is good, but there is something interesting here that you have to notice: the rebill. So the rebill is $61. This means that if you promote this product and you get a sale, the product owner is going to advertise another upsell product onto the customer. So once the customer purchase that product, we are going to earn $61.91, and as much as they keep on buying products with the owner of this product, we are going to be earning $61.91. So that is it. So now this is the product, and we are going to check the landing page so that we get familiar with it before we promote it. So what you are going to do, you are going to click on the product. So as you can see, this is the product landing page, and it's very short and simple. So the customers are going to take a quiz and then they will sign up for the product. And so just simple as that. You can see this is a simple landing page. So our next step is to now find traffic onto this particular product so that we can now get sales and earn commission daily. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come to this website, trendy.com. Trendy.com is a website that hosts a number of forums here that you can come here to also contribute to those forums. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to come to this website and then give value. Then you are going to promote our product. I'm going to show you a simple technique that you can use to promote your products here without getting banned. So the first step here is to create an account. So you are going to click on this particular button, register. So once you click on register, you are going to enter your name, you are going to enter your email address, password, your birth date, your location. Then you are going to verify the captcha here. So once you click I'm a human, and then you can proceed onto this particular platform. So let me log in to show you. As you can see, make money. When you come to this particular forum, you can see the content in this particular forum has got 1.6 million views. This shows that in this particular website, the people are much interested in make money online. So you are going to seize that opportunity to make the money with it. You are not going to spam. You are going to give real value, and then you are going to attract people onto your affiliate link. And then keep watching, and I will show you how. Don't stop watching this video and jump straight to this website because you might get banned. I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to promote on this website without getting banned. So what you are going to do is that when you come here, you are going to be posting content onto it, and I'm going to show you a free content source that you can use to promote your products on this particular platform without getting banned. So when you come here, inside articles, almost all the niches that you know, you can get an article here to read. So here we are going to use them to promote our affiliate product, and I'll show you how. So you can see this is the search space. So when you come to the product is about get paid to use Facebook. That means get paid to use social media. So when you come to inside articles, we are going to search for an article that is related to how to get paid to use social media or Facebook, so that we can use it to promote the product. So as you can see, I just type in how to make money with Facebook. So we are going to search for that. As you can see, when you search, you can see that there are thousands of articles that talks about how to make money with Facebook. So you can see a whole lot of them. So as I scroll, you can see a whole number of them in this particular website. So you are going to select one of them, then you are going to use it to promote. So I'm going to go with this particular article, how to make money with Facebook. So once you come to the article, what you are going to do is that you are going to read through the article to get understanding of what it is about, so that you will know how to use it on the Trendry.com. So what you are going to read this particular article. Once you read and then you know the content of this article, you are now going to go back to Trendry.com. Once you come to Trendry.com, you are going to click on the forum make money. So once you come to make money, you can see that this is my profile. You can start a thread here, and that is where you are going to use to promote your product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on this particular the box. So once you click on it, it is going to open like this, and you are going to select this particular option. Instead of discuss, you are going to select this option, article. So once you select an article, you are going to put this here. This is where you are going to post the title of your article, and this is where you are going to post the body of your article. So we are going back to inside article to copy the entire article that we saw. Once you come to inside article, we are now going to copy the title of this particular article. So once you copy, you are going to paste your title here. Once you paste the title, you are now going to come back and then copy the body of the article. You are going to copy the entire article. So once you highlight and copy the article, you are now going to bring it to Trendry.com, and you are going to paste it here. So what you are going to do, you are going to paste the article here, and now you are going to delete the inside article link. So this article source link, you are going to delete this particular link. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to put a call to action below your article, so that when people read this article, they are now going to click onto your affiliate link, and they are going to make a purchase for you to earn the money. So just keep watching, because I'm going to show you a real trick that you can paste your link here without your content being removed. So pay close attention here. So when you come here, I have my simple call to action here. As you can see, are you looking for more information regarding money with Facebook? Click this link to learn more. So we are going to copy this call to action. So you can actually pause this video and write it down. So as you can see, so you are going to copy this particular call to action, then you come back to your article and you are going to paste it here. So let's paste it so that it stands out. Once you paste it here, you are going to now paste your link here. So you are going to create a space here to paste your link. So let me click on bracket open, and then you are now going to paste your link here. So what you are going to be doing is that you are going to come back to Clickbank Marketplace, and you are going to click on this button promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this, and you will see your nickname here. You can put a tracking ID here, but I prefer not to do that. So what you are going to do, you are going to now click on generate hop link. Once you click on generate hop link, this is your unique affiliate link. When people purchase the product through this link, you are going to earn a commission. So what you are going to do is that you are going to shorten this link, because it looks spammy and people will not click through this link because it looks spammy. So what you are going to do is that you are going to copy this link. So once you copy your link, you are going to come to this website, Catly.com. Catly is a URL shortener. You can use it. You are going to paste your affiliate link here, and you click on shorten. So once you click on shorten, you can see this link has been shortened, and you are going to now promote this particular link. So what you are going to do, you are going to copy the link. Once you copy the link, you are now going to send this link onto your article, and you begin to promote. So once you come, you are going to paste your link here. So once you paste your link here, you are going to close the bracket. Once you close the bracket, if you leave a link like this, this website will ban your article. It is not going to be published onto the people. So what you are going to do is that you are going to create a space here so that the website will not identify that it's a link. And as you can see here, we have directed the people to remove the space here and then click through to your affiliate link. So as you can see, please remove the space between the first group of letters so that the link will work. So we are going to tell the people so that they will know that there has been a space created here. So once you paste your link here and your article is now good to go, we are going to insert the tags here so that people can find your article. So you are going to insert tags here. So for example, make money online, and then let me put some tags for you. So as you can see here, you can put your tags here that are related to your article so that when people search on this website, they can find you. So once you've done that, you are now going to come to this area, then you are going to click on post thread. So you are going to click on that. So once you click on post thread, you can see that my article has now been published onto this particular website and it has got 1 view. This has just happened just a moment ago. So as people come to read the article, they are now going to click onto my affiliate link and they are going to take action for me to earn the commission. So as you can see, some articles here, this one was just published 15 minutes ago. It has got 35 views. You can see another one today at 11:25. You can see 24 views. You can see 305 views. You can see 19 views and many others. So as you can see, a whole lot of content here that have been published today. You can see the number of views that they are getting. So as you can see, just today you can see this one has got 127. You can see 222 and many others. You can see these articles have been published today. They are getting views on this particular website. You can see the articles titles here. So that is it for today's video. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.